I will show you how I connect my 260 centimeters sump for my better drip system, using 1-inch PVC pipe as a water bridge. This is 2 separate tanks that I design as my sump. Same size and same height. This one is holding sponges and under gravel filter. From this drain pipe, passing through all filter media, passing the water bridge, going to the second sump, holding more sponge filter, heater and the return pump. Then distributes filtered water to 48 better boxes. And goes to this 1-inch drain pipe from the overflow of every better tanks. I will show you how water bridge works, but in a small scale, so it will fit in our screen easily. I will connect this 2 small tank. I'm going to use this clear tubing as our bridge. You can use anything as long as it's safe for aquarium, glass, plastic, or PVC. We need to fill it with water. There must be no air trap inside the tubing. You can submerge the tube underwater to fill it up. Then, cover both ends of the tubing and submerge to the tank. 1 end to each tank. Siphon will begin. Water will always level itself. Better to use similar height tank to avoid overflowing. Don't lift up the bridge above water level, or you will lost the siphon. Always consider the size of your bridge tubing. The bigger the better. I have this simple diagram. If you want to connect multiple tank, my reason is, I can save on filtration, heater, electricity bill in general. But, keep in mind, if one fish will get sick, it can infect all. Also, you need only to drain 1 tank during water change. I will drain 1 tank. You can see that it will drain both tanks. It's not a rocket science, but it's useful for me. So maybe also to you. That's why I make this video. This idea became useful to me. Instead of making new bigger sump for my drip system, I did manage to use my 2 small sump as 1 bigger sump. Now, I will show you what happened if you didn't fill the bridge with water. Let's remove the water from the bridge first. I will not fill the tube with water this time, and let's see what will happen. I will place it same as before, and I will drain 1 tank. You can see the air inside. So there is no siping happening. So if you make a bridge using PVC like mine, make sure that it's airtight and no leak. My water bridge didn't lost its sipe in almost a year of using. I think you fully understand how it works now. I use 1-inch PVC. It's enough for my drip system. You can fabricate an acrylic or glass if you want to use it for display tank. Remember that fish will always try to transfer from one tank to another. You can use a strainer in one or both ends if you don't want them to. For example, if I need more flow, I can just add one more bridge in my system. Since it's only for my sump, I don't care how it looks. I also grow potash in my sump. It helps reduce nitrates. This PVC fittings and pipe is very cheap in any hardware store. You need only 2 pieces elbows in one bridge. You can buy also the pipe in shorter length only. You need to use PVC solvent. My better say hello to you lovely people. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay safe everybody.